Hello friends, my name is Kinjal Bhavsar, lecturer in AC Department from VPMP Polytechnic College. Subject name microcontroller, then unit name introduction of microcontrollers, and topic is features and applications of microcontroller. These are the objectives in this common features of microcontrollers like on-chip oscillator, then program and data memory, then IO ports, that means input output ports, watchdog timer reset, SFR, special function registers, timers, counters, then interrupts, ADC, that means analog to digital converter, then PWM, pulse width modulation, then at last applications of microcontroller. First, on-chip oscillator. That means oscillator is available on chip. That means ki oscillator is available in microcontroller. The oscillator formed by crystals and capacitors, and it also on-chip inverters generate a pulse train at frequency of crystal. Then frequency of pulse train is depend upon frequency of crystal. If we use the crystal frequency is 12 megahertz, then pulse train frequency is same. Then next is program and data memory. So program and data memory is used to store program code and data required during execution of program. Then next is input output port. So input output port contains parallel and serial input output port, and it's used to interface microcontroller with real world. Then next is watchdog timer reset. The watchdog timer reset, in watchdog timer reset, timer with input connected to an independent microprocessor unit RC oscillator. Then watchdog is enabled, microprocessor unit resets every time when it overflow, and program execution start from the beginning, and watchdog timer eventually overflows and cause microprocessor to reset condition. Then SFR, special function register. So special function register is a register within a microprocessor which controls or monitors various aspects of microprocessor function like timer and counter, serial communication, input and output, etc. Then timer and counter. Timer and counter provide real-time interrupts to processor for specific event, and timer and counter also use as a counter to count the number of event. For example, object counter, and it also used to measure time and count for external event. And timer and counter generating clock pulse, then this clock pulse is used in a serial communication. It is called baud rate, that means ki bit per second. Then interrupt. So what is interrupt? Interrupt are the event that temporarily suspend the main program and pass the control to the external sources and execute their task. Then it then passes the control to main program where it is left off. This is the function of interrupt. Then ADC. ADC, that means ki analog to digital converter. ADC is a real world device which convert real time continuous quantity into a digital value that represent the amplitude of that quantity. Then ADC convert input analog signal by quantizing it, and higher the sampling rate used to discrete the values, more will be the accuracy with which the output from ADC is obtained. That means ki analog to digital conversion process. Then Next feature is PWM. Full form of PWM, pulse width modulation. So pulse width modulation is a technique where the width of digital pulse is adjusted to generate different average DC voltage. In most microcontroller, inbuilt timer that can be used to generate a pulse PWM signal. Then PWM output can be converted to DC voltage by using series of RC low pass filter to average the pulses. Then next topic is applications of microcontroller. So microcontroller applications divide into different categories. First one is handheld instrument. So handheld instruments like small pagers, electronics plan meters, digital level meters, IC tester, etc. Then next category is peripheral device. So peripheral devices, that means keyboard, mouse, monitor, etc. So in peripheral device, first keyboard controller, then modem that means modulator, demodulator. This is used in a router. Then printer buffer, color plotter, etc. Then third category is standalone devices. So standalone devices like color copier, that means ki color printer, typewriter, then cable TV terminal, fish finder, lawn sprinkler, then charge card phones, etc. Then next category is instrument. In instrument, first is a in digital oscilloscope. In digital oscilloscope as a front panel handler. Then second is a LCD screen, touch sensitive LCD. Then third is a microwave counter. Then fourth, high performance multimeters. Then fifth, modular spectrum analyzer. Then next category is automotive application. Automotive application, that means ki automobile related application. So automobile related application, first engine control modules, then second anti-lock braking system, then third dynamic ride controls, and fourth electronics instrument panels. Then other applications like CRT, that means cathode ray tube, oscilloscope tube. Then navigational system, then transmission controllers, multiplex wire system, cellular telephones, electronic entry and security system, then electronic power storing system, then collision avoidance system, then DC motor control system, then PLC, then PID control system, then automatic bailing system, then stepper motor control system, then voice synthesizer. These are the applications of microcontroller. Microcontroller is a specific device. It's used for specific device purpose, not a general purpose device.